Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a freestyle set with the Under the Sea theme. So first I'm just putting on my acrylic. I'm laying it as flat as possible, so when it comes to drilling or filing I don't have to do much work. I like to add acrylic section by section so it's much easier for me, especially when doing longer nails. Okay, now I'm onto the multicolored ombre. When it comes to any kind of ombre, you want to make sure you apply the acrylic as flat as possible so that you get a seamless blend whenever you apply more acrylic. So now I'm just putting my dark blue color on and I'm going to add another color now. Make sure you use colors that are similar and that will have an easy blend. Now I'm adding my nude. Okay, now I'm onto the feature nail. This is the nail that has all the encapsulated art. What I like to do is I literally just create random swirls, marble designs, and I use the very edge of my brush. When it comes to sticking on the gold flakes, I dip my brush in the acrylic liquid first, and this allows the gold flakes to stick onto the nail. So you want to do that across the whole nail. Wherever you feel like you want to add them. It's literally up to you. All the products used will be listed down below. For example, these seashells or crystals, whatever you want to call them, will be put down below. So I do this on the whole nail. I'm going to go up the whole nail. And I like to clean the sides to make sure that I keep the shape that I have going on. I'm just adding more gold flakes onto the nail. I use my acrylic liquid to stick them on. Okay, next I'm onto the ombre finger. And same with the multicolored ombre, I like to make the base as flat as possible. And clean the sides so that we keep that coffin shape and it's very sharp when we're filing the nail. When I do ombre, I like to go 3/4 up the nail with the first color, just so that it blends seamlessly and the top of the nail is not more bulky than the bottom of the nail. So when I add my nude, it should be a perfect blend. So after I've done all the nails, I put clear acrylic on top to build the body of the nail. This is what you call capping the nail. So we want to build up the body of the nail and create a smooth finish. Sometimes I like to look at the nail from the side just to make sure if there's anywhere else I need to add some acrylic onto the nail. I do this with the nail that also has the encapsulated art because it will be bumpy. So we add a clear acrylic on top so we get that smooth finish we want. So when we're filing and buffing the nail, it will be quick and easy. Now onto drilling. I don't have to drill the nails much because they're already smooth from my acrylic application. But I do like to drill the underneath of the nail just to make sure there's not any lumps or bumps which may have fallen under. So while I'm doing this, my drill is on a very high speed. Whenever I drill the nails, I always like to go around the cuticles first because your natural nails are not completely flat. There is a dip at the top. Now I'm buffing the nail just to make it much smoother. When shaping coffin nails, always make sure that your nail file is very straight, because if it's bent then you're going to have a much curved shape and it won't be sharp. Now we're putting on the gel top coat. This will allow the diamonds to stick onto the nail and it'll give us a shine. Because we applied clear acrylic before, this will also help with the shine. We're here revealing the nail. You can see all the gold flakes and the shells inside the nail now. And you can see how the ombre blends together perfectly. So with my wax pen, I'm putting on my little seahorse there. And the top coat should allow it to stick perfectly. So when I put my hands under the lamp, the top coat should make sure that it doesn't move anywhere. So here's the finished product, guys. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. More videos will be out soon. Thanks guys. Bye.